Hi everyone. So today we're doing a Boilermaker. I have some black paint that has some bronze mixed in it. I don't know if you can see that metallic. So I thought, let's throw in some interference and some flash, and of course one of my shimmers. So I'm gonna spray this first with the WD-40 spray, and I have this in my Amazon shop if you're looking for it. Okay, so that'll keep our paint from sticking to the glass. Well, at least it does on plastic, but it has not been behaving quite well on glass. So we'll see what happens. Of course, yes, I did drip. This is our Praj Posse Purple Shimmer. Gold interference. So this will shift to a gold. Color shift Orchid Flash. It's a pretty color. Of course, our PBO Iridescent Violet Blue. I love this color. And Folk Art Purple Flash. So I really want this painting to be the purpley pink hue. I'll go try to get one more round in there. I like a lot of color on the Boilermaker more than the base itself. I have just enough base in here to cover this. That's it. So I hope this covers. I'm going to drop it in. And there should be enough paint to cover this canvas without wasting a bunch. Not that it goes to waste. We put it in our bucket. And I have a ladybug out here with me already. Can you see her? Here she comes. She likes paint. I'm just wondering if that's the same one that I had in my other painting. Alright, so let's see if she'll stay away. She kind of likes the light over here. I'll just give that a little bit to come down. I'm going to start letting some out so we didn't get too much leakage out of that. But it's interesting already. So you can either lift the cup and be done, but I like to move it around a little bit and let some of that color out, just to give you a little bit of a different look when you stretch out. And as you can see, the cup is beautiful, but that WD-40 does not work well in glass. So just so you know, but you have to have the heavy bottom shot glass to go to the bottom of the paint. If you don't, you could use a skewer to push it down in, but it just doesn't give you the same effect. Alright, so let me torch this. I'm already loving the colors. It's going to be a very shiny little painting with the black base and that. So of course our black base is thinner, so we have to tilt very slowly so we don't get all wonky. And of course I'm on a round, so I have a lot of edges I have to cover. I hate that I have to lose that spot. It's pretty. But I am going to do some motion here in a minute. I'm sorry my voice is a little raspy. I'm coming down with an awful cold, I think. And sneezing and sneezing and sneezing. Of course, our pollen is dropping here. And I don't do well with pollen. I'll be taking lots of allergy medicine. Okay. So So I just want to, I really like the etherealness of this. So I'm going to see if I can just push this up without losing too much color. And the space is so thin, so it's okay if I leave extra paint on here because it'll dry flat. That's pretty cool. I think I'm going to leave it right there. Just keep touching up my edges there where I missed. All right, let me torch it. Now, as you know, color sinks into the black. So we may not see a lot of that etherealness when it dries. Sorry. But you can always come in on Monday nights and see these dry. I like to show them on Monday nights. It's just so pretty through here. That violet blue, can you see that hue? And the gold is right next to it right here. Right there. It is pretty cool. I'm going to leave that. Now that white in there is the iridescent, or I'm sorry, the interference gold. So that's going to dry gold. It will not be white. So that's why I'm kind of leaving this here, because we're going to have a band of gold that comes through here. But yeah, that's cool. So guys, join me on Monday nights at 9 p.m. right here on the channel. We pour paint from 9 to 11. Ellen pours along with me. Join our group on Facebook, The Parage Posse with Christina Welch. Check out my Facebook page, Christina Welch Art. I'm also on Instagram. I'm just starting to add a little bit here and there on Instagram. I'm not an Insta person, guys. I'm sorry. But check out the Amazon link, the Etsy link. Everything's below in the description where it says see more. Click on that and you'll get to see everything that I have listed there. But thanks so much for watching, guys. See you all in the next one. Bye now.